back to each other.
For me, home is a safe place where we create memories, celebrate our small wins, and spend each and every moment with love, care, and comfort.
Hi, I'm Shashwant.
Hi, this is Manisha.
We both are IT professionals. We have a small knit family. Our parents keep visiting us.
We both live here, and our parents occasionally visit us. So it's a safe place that we have created for us. For us, interiors was never about looks. It was more about what we wanted in our home, larger than life, modern and contemporary. We had initial discussions with Bonito Designs, with designer Rajni and Prashant. They understood our expectations, our requirements, and they brought our thoughts into reality by showing us the mood boards of each and every room. That was exactly what we wanted, right?
Yes. And I think one of the beautiful things about them is, and this might sound repetitive, but I really want to highlight this, that, the customization they allow. A lot of firms, just love customizations until you sign up the designs. But with Bonito, when they are literally into the execution phase, and if you just request them, can we change this, can we change that, and they do it. And that's what I think our requirement was.
I still remember that last moment customization we wanted in our kitchen area, where we wanted this oven and OTG. So that place was done by Bonito. They understood our design requirements for the last moment.
And in fact, not just that, they would suggest even more options to you. Sometimes you just get out of options and then they just put n number of options in front of you, and then you have, and then you get confused that do I do this, that, because everything is super good.
We love what Bonito has presented to us.
A bang on 10.
I would say 10 too.
I think I've mentioned a lot of points. There's nothing less I could say, because the customization, the prompt follow-ups, the feedbacks, the options they give, the suggestions, and even after the whole render is finalized, still the design team working on the changes, what better can we do, what else can we deliver. And like I've been mentioning since the beginning, that the customization they allowed us during the execution phase, because I really don't think that any other interior firm would love you that.
Yeah. And what they promised in 3D renders, they have actually brought that into one picture. Here we can see.
I think more than that,
Yeah.
because I already told you, we had this in our mind, they delivered this. So yes.